Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to my class. In the series of learning programming in C, in the previous video, we discussed about fgetC. That is how to get the data from the file character by character with the program and execution. Well, in today's video, we will learn how to put the entire string to the file. From the program, we can put the entire string to the file. So initially we need to accept the string from the console and then we need to put that entire string to the file using fputs. So how we can put the string to the file? Let us understand with a complete program and execution also. So those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of all the new videos. Watch the video till the end. Do not skip the video. And if you like the video, please click on the like button and share the video to all your friends. fputs. So this function is going to put the entire string. S stands for string to the file. So the string has to be accepted from the console first. So from the console, we need to provide the string. We need to input the string. So that string has to be written. It has to be written into the file. The complete string at one stretch. It is not character by character. It is string by string. So the complete string will be put into the file. So how to do that? Let us understand with a complete program and execution. So here we go with a complete program to understand fputs. So we are learning fputs. That is how to put a complete string to the file. So as usual, we have the file pointer and we have a character array by name str. So the array name is str and I have a control variable I. I'll tell you why we use it. We have the file pointer asterisk fp, pointer fp, fopen f8.txt in write mode. Which mode? Write mode. So I am trying to open the file f8.txt. If it is an existing file, it gets opened, or if it is a new file, the file will be created newly in write mode because I need to write the string using fputs. So we are using fputs to put the string. So if the pointer is not pointing to the file, then it will hold null. So if it is equal to null, then I'll get the message unable to open the file and it's an exit. So we need to include the header file standard library.h along with stdio.h. But the pointer fp is pointing to this location 100. Is that fp equals to null? No. Means it is pointing to the file. Condition not satisfied means the control will come to this point. Then I say enter your text. So a prompt message to the user to accept the text. And these three statements I am writing inside the loop so that it gets executed 4 times. Means after we enter a sequence of characters using getters is not going to ignore the white space. But when it encounters new line, it stops taking the input. So we are trying to execute these three statements 4 times. So I am writing these statements inside the loop. So I equal to 1. So I equal to 1. I less than or equal to 4. Condition, that is 1 less than or equal to 4. Condition satisfied. Get inside and execute this complete block. So what I need to execute? I say get s. Initially I need to get the string from the console. So I say get a string. I say hello world. Okay. Then what I'll do using the file pointer and fputs function, I'm trying to put that string. That is what I have accepted in the str. So str is the array and the array name is the one which acts as the implicit pointer. Say the location is 201. So this array name will be pointing to the base address. So I can store up to 99. So it is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 99. 100 characters I can store. So array name will give you the base address. So it is the implicit pointer which will be pointing to the first element, which will be pointing to the base address. So I say put that string pointed to by this implicit pointer array name str to the file pointed to by the file pointer fp. So fp is pointing to this f8.txt. So I need to enter this complete string including white space. Get is speciality is it is not going to ignore the white space. It is going to consider the white space also. So this complete sequence of characters will be written here. Hello space word. Then when I press enter key, it stops taking the characters. Then I say fputs, put the string, that is new line, also to the file pointed to by the file pointer fp. So a new line will be stored in the file. Then loop back. Again, I need to enter the sequence of characters. I say hi Yashoda and then say enter key. So again, put that sequence of characters that is pointed to by str to the file pointed to by file pointer fp. So now str is pointing to this location and my content is hi Yashoda. Then new line also will be stored in the file. Look back again, check the condition. So it is 1, 2, 3, 3 less than or equal to 4. Condition satisfied, get inside. Again get the sequence of characters from the console. Get is the string. I'll just say my channel name, say logic flow. Right. So even that will be put into the file using fputs. Put that sequence of characters pointed to by str to the file pointed to by fp. So I'll be getting logic flow. Then also put the new line. So new line will also be stored into the file. Again loop back, 4 less than or equal to 4. Yes, condition true. Then again get the string. I say thank you. So even that will be put to the file fp. So here I'll be getting thank you. Then so after inserting that, we also have this new line also. So even new line will be placed. Then loop back, it becomes 5, 5 less than or equal to 4, condition not satisfied. So we accept the string and we write that into the file. See, get is the normal getters which is going to get the string from the console. From the console I get the string. Then I put that string using fputs to the file pointed to by fp. Then I also put the new line to fp. Then again loop back, execute all these three statements once again. Get a string. Then put that to the file. Then also get new line, put that to the file. So these three statements gets executed 4 times. Means I can give 4 strings using this for loop. You can also do it with single string also. Then we need not use all these for loops. We simply say getters and fputs. That's it. Okay. Then the loop condition not satisfied. Come out of the loop. Close the file. Close the main function. So the file f8.text consists of all these content, all these string that what I took from the console, and as and when I take the data from the console, I am writing that string to the file using fputs. Hope you have understood with this. Let us see the execution of this program now. So here we go with the complete program to understand f put s. So how to put a complete string to the file, let us see. So we have the file pointer fp, then we have a character array str,
We try to open the file f8.txt in write mode. If the pointer equals to null, I can just put a message unable to open a file. You can also have the exit function. So you can just say if file pointer equals to null, then I say printf, enter, or that message. You can just put a message on the output screen saying that unable to open the file, and let me call the function exit function so that I can exit from the program if the file is not being opened. If the file is unable to open, then that message will be displayed, then exit open. If not, the control will be to this point printf to enter your text, and the new line character will be given so that the pointer will be to the next line. Then we have this for loop so that we can execute these three statements: getS, fputs, and fputs. So in the for loop I equal to 1, in the first iteration we get a string from the console. We use getS here so that it will take even the white space. If we take the sequence of characters, that is the string using scanf function, then it is going to ignore the white space. So better to use getS function. We have seen the difference between getS and scanf in the previous video. Please to check out the playlist. So we say getS a sequence of character will be accepted, then immediately that sequence of character will be put into the file using fputs. So we only pass the array name. We all know the array name will give you the base address to the file pointed to by the file pointer fp. Then we also put the new line also. Then again loop back, again these three statements gets executed. You can also accept single string also. I'm just accepting the string 4 times. Then the loop exits, then the file fclose fp has to be done. Let us save this file, execute the program. So run the program now. So we need to enter the text here. I say hello my dear students, press enter key so that new line will also be stored to the file. Then I say welcome to my channel logic flow, again enter, then file handling series, then I say thank you. So press enter key. So 4 times getS, fputs, and fputs new line is executed. Now press enter key. So let us check these content in the file f8. So you get the file here itself. Let me open the file f8. See, all these contents have been put into the file. So what we did, we put all these strings, hello my dear students, welcome to my channel, file handling, thank you, all these sequence of characters is put into the file using, look at here, fputs, right? So open that file, you get all those contents. So this is how we put the string into the file. In the next video, we will see how to get the string from the file using fgetS. So hope you have understood with this fputs. That's all for today's video. So in the next video, till then, take care. Bye-bye.